In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set password on Google Chrome browser. To begin, open the Google Chrome browser. Look at your address bar at the top of the screen. From there, navigate to the Chrome Web Store. The fastest way is to type Chrome Web Store into the address bar and press Enter, or you can directly search for it using your preferred search method. When you arrive, you should see a search field near the top of the page. Next, search for the phrases "set password for your browser" or "Chrome lock." Use the search box and type one phrase, then press Enter. If the results look slightly different, you can repeat with the other phrase. Now you will select an extension that has strong user feedback. A helpful guideline is to choose a highly rated extension. On the store page, you will typically see a star rating and the number of reviews. Select an extension such as "set password for your browser" or "Chrome lock" based on what appears in the results. Choosing a highly rated extension matters because it usually indicates the tool works reliably and is easier to use. Once you have found the extension you want, click the extension's results to open its listing page. Then locate the button labeled Add to Chrome. Click it to start the installation process. After you click Add to Chrome, Chrome will ask you to confirm the installation. Look for the confirmation message and then click Add Extension. Wait a moment while the extension installs. If the pop-up does not appear right away, you may need to wait a few seconds or ensure the extension installation finished successfully. For most users, the prompt arrives as soon as the extension is added. When the pop-up window appears, you will be prompted to type your desired password. Enter the password you want to use for this Chrome lock feature. Make sure you type carefully so there are no mistakes. After you enter the password, click OK to save it. The extension will then activate according to its setup rules, and it should start enforcing the password requirement in the way it was designed. To wrap up, confirm that the extension behaves as expected after setting the password. If Chrome shows any further prompts or setup instructions inside the extension interface, follow only what is presented as part of the extension's normal flow. Keep in mind that the exact behavior can depend on the extension settings, but the main setup process is the one you just completed. Install the extension from the Chrome Web Store and set the password in the pop-up prompt. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.